Right, exactly.
And I know a lot of Temp-tationistas who are watching are going to go, oh my gosh, it's back, or I've seen it, and I wish I'd picked it up when I saw it, or I have one already. I'm just going to yield the floor to you on this one because it's so heartfelt.
So this is a nostalgic piece. We did this way back when, and then last year we brought a 2-quart in, completely sold out. You loved it. You asked for something bigger. How about a 3-quart? So again, I love the fact that at the heart of it, it's that beautiful 3-quart, nice depth here, rope detail running around the edges, hand painting and hand applied accents on the inside and the outside. And then truly, it is all about that lidded piece. We don't do very many lidded pieces, so the fact that we have that figural rooster and the head and the tail become your helper handles to take that on and off. This is why this has become one of our collector's pieces.
Impressive.
And look how sweet, all individually hand painted. So there's your black. Here's that blue. I love how this looks with the red, white, and blue. We had to, of course, do the gray, our classic color there. And then look how beautiful that all over red is.
Comes together. And look how grand the feathers in the back.
Right?
Okay, so this is $50.
It's amazing.
Five easy payments of $10. Wait, take the lid off again, please, and just show me the baker, because when you did that, I thought $50.
Wow.
I'm in. Like, think about holiday baking, holiday serving. You put a roast chicken inside of there. Like, that's that
Great
capacity.
idea. Right.
At $50 for ceramic, that's going to last forever. Amazing. Add this on. Now it's a work of art. And we keep the price at $50.
Yeah, and a 3-quart oval is like the largest size oval that we currently have. So again, when you're thinking about family style, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful?
So weighty.
Like, these are pieces that you would tuck this in like a cabinet or leave it out because it's such a workmanship.
Absolutely.
So beautiful in detailing. And then the best part, it's still that great stoneware.
Fewer than 1,000 in total. Read as collector's edition. Right?
Yes.
200, 300 in each of our choices. Easy Pay goes away at the end of the day. And by the way, we're debuting it at a sale price. It's $17 off. It's going to go up to $67. Yeah, you can fit a whole ham in there.
Well, that's what I love about this, right? This truly is that one dish cooking. So you have that beautiful spiral sliced ham, but then follow me over here because it's still everything you love from Temp-tations. This beautiful signature baker. Look at this. We have a 5-pound full chicken in here.
Nice.
So this is that, I love showing this, right? Whether it's ham, whether it's chicken, whether you're using it as a sweet little centerpiece or Easter basket.
I
love that idea.
Look
right?
at that.
Put candles in there, float flowers in there, turn it into a pretty centerpiece, but it all goes in the oven, which is fantastic. And this is what we were talking about, where the head and the tail become your helper handles to get it in and out of the oven.
Oh, you know what? I haven't said it many times in the show, but I'm saying it here.
Hello.
That's a Mother's Day gift.
Hello.
That's a Mother's Day gift. It's absolutely adorable.
Talk about doodle-doo.
Yeah, that is. If you collect the doodle-doo, my friends, come on in.
Yes.
All right, so it's the gray, the blue, the black, the red. Fewer than 200 in each of them. I can smell that chocolate. I want to bite that off.
Bite the head off.
All right, K77780 is your item number. Sorry, Alan, are we going to next? Oh, let's mention the apron.
Ooh.
Wait, I'm a little scared.